हेलो बच्चों। सो आज चाहिँ हामी के गर्छौँ भन्दाखेरि हामी चाहिँ नि अल्केनलाई चाहिँ नि अर्ग्यानिक कम्पाउन्डमा कसरी कन्भर्ट गर्ने त्यो कुरा सिक्छौँ। ओके, हाउ टु कन्भर्ट अल्केन इन्टु अदर अर्ग्यानिक कम्पाउन्ड्स। अर्ग्यानिक भन्नाले पनि वी आर गोइङ टु स्टडी इन दिस पार्ट कि अल्केनलाई चाहिँ नि हामी बेन्जिनमा कसरी कन्भर्ट गर्ने, अल्केनलाई चाहिँ हामी अल्कोहल द्याट इज फेनोलमा कसरी कन्भर्ट गर्ने, राइट? हाउ टु कन्भर्ट द्याट इन्टु यर इथर, राइट? So in this way we are going to study how to convert alkane into other aromatic compounds. Okay, let us study from here how to convert alkane into benzene, right? So there are some reactions you have to know. Okay, suppose you have C6H12. What is this? H14. Okay, what is this? This is your N hexane. What is this? N hexane. So we should react this with Cr2O3 Al2O3. This is alumina and this is your chromium oxide, right? When you react this N-hexane with this, aromatization occurs. What occurs? Aromatization occurs, and this converts C6H14 into the benzene. Okay, good. Next reaction, you have to convert alkane into alkene, and then you have to convert that alkene into ine, and then you have to pass that into Fe tube, right? And that will convert it into benzene, right? Which alkanes will be used over here? That is your ethane, right? CH3. How will you convert that into alkene? See my previous video, you'll understand. This will be converted to CH2. After that, we can convert this into a triple bond HC. That is your acetylene. That is your, you can say, ethine, right? And when we pass ethine, then it will be converted into the benzene. But we convert alkane into benzene, right? Now we want to convert to toluene. So you have something like the C7H16, right? C7H16, that is your heptane and heptane. And you have to do same reaction with that is your Cr2O3, and this is your Al2O3, and this will be converted into toluene. What is the next reaction by which you can convert the alkane into toluene, right? So let us say we have made benzene. Suppose this is C6H14 and we convert this into benzene. So this is benzene, right? After converting into benzene, we will carry out Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is your CS3Cl suppose, and then we use AlCl3. This will produce what? Electrophile, right? This will produce electrophile. How? By reacting, that is, it will produce AlCl4 minus and CS3 plus, and this CS3 plus will attack the benzene to produce this toluene, right? Toluene. So now, how to convert benzene to alcohol, right? How to convert this alkane to alcohol? Phenol. How to convert this alkane to phenol? So what will you do? First of all, I'll react this alkane with these all factors, that is the same thing, to convert this into what? Benzene, right? After that, we can carry out Dow's process. You know Dow's process? We can carry out Dow's process. That is your chlorination of benzene. First of all, we'll react this with chlorine in the presence of chlorine carrier, right? Fe, to produce this is Cl. Then we have to react this with NaOH to produce, there is ONA. Okay. Now I have to react further with HCl to produce phenol. This is your phenol minus of NaCl. So look here. So this process is called Dow's process, by which you can convert this benzene to phenol. Dow's process, right? What is the next method? How can by which you can convert? You can react this benzene with conc H2SO4. That is a sulfonation, right? So this will provide you SO3H over here. Then you have to react this with Na2CO3, and this will produce ONA over here. Then you know after this you have to react with HCl, right? SO3H, right? This will give SO3 Na over here. Furthermore, you have to react with NaOH over here to give ONA, and then you have to react it with HCl to give NaOH. That is OH. That is your phenol. So this is the way how can you convert the alkane into aromatic compounds. Okay, we'll further study this. Okay, now we'll study how to convert alkane to aldehyde to carboxylate to nitrate to nitrobenzene to aniline. Okay, this is how we will proceed. Okay, this is how we'll proceed to the further steps of our conversion series. At the end, you all will be able to convert any of the organic compound. Okay, you can convert to whatever you like by understanding these lectures. Each steps in the lecture will give you idea about the conversion series. Okay. Now we'll try to convert alcohol into what? Alcohol into, sorry, that alkane. Okay, alkane into this one. This is your methoxybenzene. This is your methoxybenzene, right? So how will we convert this into methoxybenzene? So first of all, you have to convert this into alkane into benzene, right? You have to convert this alkane into benzene. Let us convert. We have already seen how to convert this alkane to benzene, right? Then we can do chlorination in the presence of halogen carrier to form this one, and then we can react this with CS3O Na, so that this Na will react with this to bring out NaCl, and this CS3O will react this over here, like that is your, this will form OCH3, and this is what your methoxybenzene is. Are you getting it? Then the next is how to convert alkane into aldehyde, right? So first of all, take alkane, convert benzene, convert it into the benzene. Okay, then we'll do Friedel-Crafts reaction, CS3Cl AlCl3 to form this one, toluene, right? After making this, there are two ways we can do oxidation. We can do oxidation of this one in the presence of MnO2 plus H2SO4, right? H2SO4 to form benzaldehyde, or you can convert alcohol from here and then you can do oxidation to form the benzaldehyde, or you can directly use here vanadium pentoxide. What can you use? Vanadium. In place of this, you can also use vanadium V2O5, that is a vanadium pentoxide, in the presence of oxygen to convert this into benzaldehyde. Now the step 3 is how to convert this alkane into the carboxylic acid. After preparing aldehyde, what can you do? Further oxidation of this one to prepare carboxylic acid. When aldehyde is further oxidized, then this will produce what? This will produce the carboxylic acid, right? Is there any problem? No. So now how to prepare nitroalkane? Nitroalkane, benzene must be reacted with conc HNO3, and when it is reacted with conc HNO3, this will produce nitroalkane, right? Nitroalkane. How to produce amine aniline? By the reaction with SnHCl. Nitroalkane, when reacted with nascent hydrogen, right? This will produce reduction of this one actually. So when we reduce this one, this will produce NH2. Is there any problem? No. So now how to prepare this phenyl cyanide? Phenyl cyanide. How will you prepare phenyl cyanide? Look, you have to react this amine with what? Isocyanide. Okay, how to prepare isocyanide? So we have to react this with KOH. This is your KOH, and then we have to react this with chloroform, that is CHCl3. So this will give you phenyl isocyanide. This is characteristic reaction. And see, so this is your phenyl cyanide. How will you prepare the cyanide from here? So you have to remember amine. This amine can be converted. First of all, you have to react this with HNO2 to form diazonium chloride. What? N2Cl, diazonium chloride. And when this diazonium chloride is reacted with HCN in the presence of CO2, Cl2, then this will produce your cyanide. This is CN. Okay. So we have done converting your alkane to what? Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Okay. So in the next lecture, we'll be trying to understand how to convert each and every organic compounds into alkene, and then we'll be trying to understand how to convert alkene to each and every organic compounds. This is how we can master the reactions. What is the importance of this? This is very important because it will help you to understand each and every reactions, right? You will know how every reactions you can know every reactions at a time, and you can convert also. So this is of dual benefit, right? So please subscribe the channel if you are new over here. Okay, because you will come to know many questions. Yes, this will prepare you for the entrance level as well. So please subscribe the channel if you are new.